Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning, a key player in artificial intelligence that's transforming how systems learn, adapt, and make decisions. Ever wondered how your smartphone predicts text, how Netflix knows what shows you might enjoy, or how self-driving cars navigate the streets? Let's break it down. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Think about how humans learn. We gain knowledge and skills through experiences. For example, a child learns to recognize animals by seeing many different examples: cats, dogs, birds, and so on. Over time, they start to identify new animals by recognizing patterns and similarities. Machine learning works in a similar way. Instead of being programmed with specific instructions, a machine learns from data. Just as a child learns to identify animals by seeing different examples, a machine learning algorithm analyzes large amounts of data to find patterns and make decisions. Let's use an example to illustrate this. Imagine you want to train a machine to predict traffic patterns at a busy intersection. You start by feeding it historical data such as the number of cars, time of day, and special events like holidays. This data serves as the experience for the machine, similar to how seeing various traffic scenarios helps a human driver become better at anticipating traffic conditions. The algorithm processes this data, learns from it, and begins to recognize patterns, like peak traffic times or unusual congestion. Just as humans improve their skills with more experience, machine learning algorithms get better with more data. Over time, as the machine is exposed to more traffic data, its predictions become more accurate. It's like a driver who gets better at predicting traffic patterns the more they drive. In technical terms, a computer program is said to learn from experience if its performance on a task improves with that experience. If our traffic model starts making more accurate predictions as it learns from additional data, it's effectively learning and getting better, just like a human who learns and improves their skills over time. Machine learning is everywhere. It powers recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix or Amazon, where algorithms suggest products or shows based on your previous choices. It's also used in autonomous vehicles to navigate and make real-time decisions, learning from various driving scenarios. The key to effective machine learning is data. The more data the algorithm processes, the better it becomes at making predictions and decisions. Just as a person improves their judgment with experience, machine learning models become more accurate with more data. If you're eager to learn more about machine learning, be sure to check out our other videos and tutorials. We'll dive deeper into the concepts, techniques, and real-world applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.